Hi, and welcome to my home. I'm Luis with Lakeshore, and today we're going to be talking about doing the best you can. So let's get into it. Well, as we all know, life has changed and continues to change. It feels like there's information coming in every single day from about 10 different angles, and it probably feels like you're drinking through a fire hose at some points. It's perfectly okay because our kiddos probably feel like they're in the same boat. So before we get started, try and keep these three things in mind. Flexibility is going to be one of the keys to success right now. Questions are always going to be natural from our kiddos. And this last piece of advice comes directly from my wife. Remember, they're just kids. So anything we do with learning has to be fun and engaging. So with that, let's get into 3 ways on how to best approach your day. First, focus time. For some kids, 1 to 2 hours a day can be a lot. And for others, they're going to crave more focus time. Every child is different. And just remember, even if you have to have a day where you don't do any focus time, just do your best to roll with the punches. Secondly, our mental health is extremely important right now. So if your kiddos or you need to take a break, take some free time, it's okay. Take a deep breath and just make sure that your kiddos are okay. Lastly, whoever said that learning is just in the classroom? Learning is everywhere, especially for our kiddos. There's so many experiences that maybe we've got a chance to take part in, but they definitely haven't. My kiddos enjoy going out and doing yard work with me because we can turn it into a science talk with the number of animals and birds that are starting to come out with spring. We can turn it into a sensory exploration day, playing in the mud or the sand or the grass. We can even turn it into a fine motor activity, which is my favorite because we're pulling weeds. And my kids even gave me homework because I didn't have the answers to some of the questions that they had. So just don't be afraid to get creative. Ultimately, there's so much that we take for granted as adults because of the experiences that we've been able to have. Right now is a great time to bond with your kids through different experiences. Invite them over while you're cooking dinner, while you're sorting the laundry, or maybe even if you're just cleaning the house. I know we've done a ton of that around my house right now. So in conclusion, just keep up the great work. Nobody's perfect, and that's perfectly okay. Second, make sure that you're having fun. We could all do with a few more smiles and a few more laughs right now. And lastly, do the best you can. Until next time.
Keep watching our Learning at Home videos. Plus, visit lakeshorelearning.com for thousands of free resources.